In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build conditional form with Asana. We'll start by creating your form inside the right project so every response becomes a task in the correct place. Open your Asana project and click the Customize button in the top right corner. In the panel that appears, choose Forms, then select Add Form to start building. Give your form a clear name and a short description that tells respondents what to expect and what information you need from them. Now add your first question or two. You can pick from text for open responses, drop down for a single choice, multi-select when more than one choice may apply, or numerical for quantities like budget or hours. As you add fields, think about what information is essential versus nice to have, and keep labels short and unambiguous so people answer accurately the first time. Next, let's add conditional logic, also called branching. This lets you show follow-up questions only when they're relevant. Choose a single select or multi-select question, hover over it, and click the Add a Branch icon that looks like a little tree. Select the type of follow-up question you want to add to this branch. You can click to add it directly or drag it into position. That follow-up will only appear when a respondent selects one of the specified options from the previous question, keeping your form short for everyone else. You can nest branches up to 5 levels deep, which is powerful for more complex workflows. As you build, keep your branches organized with clear option names, avoid overlapping logic that could confuse respondents, and use single select when you need mutually exclusive paths. When your questions and branches are in place, publish the form. Click Publish to lock in your structure and make it ready to share. Before you send it out, configure the task settings so submissions are easy to triage. Choose how new tasks will be named, such as including the respondent's answer to a key field, assign tasks to the right owner for intake, and decide whether to copy all response data into the task description for quick reference. Then click Copy Link to grab a shareable URL you can post on your intranet, embed in a doc, or send to stakeholders. For extra efficiency, connect the form to Asana rules so that after submission, tasks move to the right section automatically, or update a custom field based on the form inputs. This keeps your intake clean and your team focused. That's it. With a well-labeled form, smart branching, and the right task settings, you'll collect only the information you need and route it instantly to the right place. Thanks for watching and happy building.